And now it's time for another episode of Draglicious, filmed in front of a fake studio audience. How modern. And here she is, Lucille L'Queur.
Hi my little chippies, I'm Lucille L'Queur and today we're going to be making our berry British pudding. Just 3 ingredients. It's the height of summer. Let's get our berry on, shall we? This is delicious.
Miss Master Chef herself, cutting off crusts. Into the pan goes the fruit and sugar. It's all getting terribly fruity. Catch that syrupy juice. It's bread, fruit and sugar, which just proves branding is everything.
Now that it's been in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight, you want to remove your weights, remove your plate, and hope that the baking gods were listening. You want to remove your plastic wrap. You can get a knife and just gently cut the excess off. You want to pop your juice in a jug, and then you just gently go over your pudding. Your very. No, no, you wouldn't go over your pudding. Your very British pudding. You want to get a little brush. You've chosen a different plate.
Messy as always.
Decorate the top any way you want. So I'm just going to choose a corner. You can always choose the worst corner. And there you go, my little chispies. 1 very British pudding. Very easy, just 3 ingredients. All you have to do is wait it overnight. Until next time, be safe, be well, be good. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Only 3 ingredients? I've seen more complexity in a cup of tea. Please join us next time by hitting that subscribe button and meet us in the comments section for some extra VIP treatment. Oh, and something special happens when you hit that like button. Go on, try it.